Have you ever wondered why it's so easy to put off tasks until the last minute? Procrastination, a universal phenomenon, has fascinated psychologists for decades. It's an intriguing conundrum. Why do intelligent, capable individuals delay tasks, often to their own detriment? In the vast realm of psychological studies, one of the most influential on procrastination comes from Dr. Joseph Ferrari of DePaul University. Ferrari suggests that procrastination is not merely a matter of poor time management or laziness, but rather a complex interplay of emotions and self-regulation. He found that chronic procrastinators often have a skewed sense of time, believing they have more time left to complete a task than they actually do. Adding to Ferrari's work, psychologist Dr. Piers Steele proposed the temporal motivation theory. This theory suggests that the likelihood of procrastination increases when the task at hand is perceived as unpleasant. The rewards for completing it are far off in the future, and the individual has a tendency to be impulsive. In a similar vein, psychologist Dr. Timothy Peichel from Carleton University posits that procrastination is essentially an emotional regulation problem. We procrastinate to avoid negative emotions associated with a task, choosing short-term mood repair over long-term benefits. But what about the role of our brain? Neuroscientists have found that the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that is involved in executive functioning like decision-making and self-control, is less active in procrastinators. In essence, the struggle between the immediate rewards and long-term goals takes place right in our brains, often leading to the triumph of instant gratification. The roots of procrastination, it turns out, are quite complex, involving our emotions, perceptions, impulsivity, and even the very structure of our brain. Now let's recap the main points. First, procrastination isn't just about poor time management or laziness. It's a complex issue involving emotions and self-regulation. Second, the temporal motivation theory suggests that we're more likely to procrastinate when the task is unpleasant. The rewards are far off, and we're prone to impulsivity. Third, Dr. Peichel's research suggests that we procrastinate to avoid negative emotions, choosing immediate mood repair over long-term benefits. And lastly, our brain structure, specifically the prefrontal cortex, plays a significant role in our tendency to procrastinate. Procrastination is a fascinating and complex aspect of human behavior. Understanding its psychological underpinnings can not only help us comprehend why we put things off, but also guide us towards strategies to overcome this habit. After all, as the old saying goes, procrastination is the thief of time. So, why let it steal any more of ours?